It's 2020 and you're still wondering whether Philips Hue light bulbs are worth it for you. Well, you've come to the right place, my friends, because I've had these bulbs running in my home for 2 years and I'm here to tell you why they're totally worth it. Philips Hue bulbs come in a variety of sizes. I've got both the traditional A19 bulb used for lamps and the BR30 kind used for ceiling floodlights. They've also got a variety of other styles on their website to suit everyone's needs. What I love most is just how beautiful these bulbs are. They really set the ambiance of any room and are just perfect to get you ready for the day with bright, cool colors to start it off or soft, warm ones to wind down after a long day's worth of work. What makes them even better is their ease of setup with the Philips Hue app. I've got the ones that require a bridge. The bridge is what connects all the bulbs together, but they've now also got Bluetooth ones as well. Setup is effortless and allows you to control the bulbs right through the app. You can adjust their brightness, turn them on and off, and even set preset themes or make custom ones that suit your personal style. If you're like me and into automating your smart home, then you can also pair these up with Alexa or Google Home like I have and be able to control them with just your voice. What takes these bulbs to the next level is the Philips Hue Play HDMI Sync box. I've got mine mounted behind the TV, and what this HDMI box allows you to do is to sync your TV video with your lights. All you've got to do is set up an entertainment area inside the Philips Hue app and you're good to go. This allows you to really immerse yourself into the experience, whether you're watching music videos or simply watching shows and movies. This truly makes your entertainment experience even that much more enjoyable. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I've got videos in the works for both the Philips Hue app setup and the HDMI Sync box. Last but not least, let's talk about the price because I feel like that really makes many people shy away. A 2-pack of the color ambience bulbs costs $89.99 here in the United States. Now I know that may seem like a lot, but you need to take into account that these bulbs are rated for 25,000 hours of lifetime. That means a bulb running 6 hours a day can last up to 11.4 years. That's 2.5 times as much as a traditional LED bulb, which only lasts for 10,000 hours at max. To be honest, I've got traditional LED bulbs around the house that go out again and again, far faster than even the 10,000 hours mark. To save some money, I suggest you buy the starter kits. These are bundles that include multiple bulbs and the bridge. If you look around a bit on the web, you can find these kits at decent prices. So what's the final take? Overall, I really love Philips Hue, and in the 2 years I've had these bulbs, I've never run into any issues whatsoever. I started with a few bulbs and now have 2 Go lamps in my bedroom and 2 light strips, one for my TV and one for my office desk. I highly recommend you give these smart bulbs a try. From giving you that perfect ambiance to taking your entertainment to the next level, Philips Hue will definitely add some color to your life for sure. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions for me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.